Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 2 days worth of sales. The table's a little empty. Let me tell you why. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, I'm going to give you my sales on Poshmark for the last 2 days. It's summertime, and I've noticed dramatically that my sales have slowed down, and part of the reason is because people are outside doing things. Also, this table looks a little empty because basically everything I sold is really small. And so let's just get into it. I'm going to give you the number that I earned, not the number that it actually sold for, but the number that I earned. I'll tell you how much I paid for it, deduct it, write it on the board, and then we'll go from there. So this is a men's Star Wars boxer briefs, black, size medium. I paid $1 out of a liquidation box for it. $1.25 is what I earned. It's been on there forever. 25 cents are my profits there. So I made my money back up plus 25 cents. Then this one has been on there forever. I kind of struggle with whether or not I should take items off of my store simply because they've been on there forever, but I'm always pleasantly surprised at how well they sell. And so this one actually has been on there forever. I bought this at the Goodwill outlet. No, I actually got this one out of a liquidation box for $1. $5.05 is what I earned, and so $4.05. These are numbers after shipping and after all of my Poshmark fees. Then I've got a sporty rib lace racer bralette, fresh white, size large. $4.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid, so $3.25 are my profits there. Then I've got these really kind of fun, I've got a bunch of different kinds of these. They're basically shoe ornaments that you clip on your laces, and I've got a bunch of different kinds. They're really fun. I paid about 50 cents for them. $2.05 is what I earned, so $1.55 are my profits there. And then this is the reason why I actually made a huge amount of money on this last 2 days of sales. This is actually 7 bras that I sold in a bundle. So let me just, and they were each $1 a piece. So I have $7 invested. So let me show you what we got. This is a women's lace racerback bralette, extra large. A scoop bralette, Gilligan and O'Malley, extra, sorry, not extra large, extra small. Then I've got an exhilaration padded lace halter bra, extra small. Then this one is a seamless macrame acid wash, red maroon, extra small. Then I've got this green unlined scoop bralette, extra small. An exhilaration seamless macrame acid wash, black in color. And then I've got a Gilligan and O'Malley brushed micro triangle bralette and size small. So all of them are extra small except for the one. And so I actually made $48 on that. Subtract my $7 for $41 of profit on all those intimates. So that was a really great bundle, and obviously that's where the majority of my money these last 2 days is coming from. Then I've got this really nice Ava and Viv Scarlet Mystery Twist waist dress. I paid $2 out of a liquidation box for it. $3.25 is what I earned, so $1.25. After I take my $2 off. I'm going to add all this up at the end and let you know exactly how much I made in total these last 2 days. I've got a patriotic curved army green khaki baseball hat. I've got a bunch more of these, so if you're interested in these, check these out. You can also buy them off hookedonpickin.com. So my earnings were $9.05. I paid $4 for that, so $5.05 is my profit there. Then I've got another really old shirt that's been on my store for a while. $1.05 is what I earned. Got this from the Goodwill outlet for 50 cents. And so I made a total whopping 55 cents on that one. And the last but not least, I have got a new with tags Prologue V-neck sleeveless comfy tank top for $6. Oh, it sold for $6. Sorry, my earnings were $3.05. I paid $1 out of a liquidation box, so $2.05. As you can see, it doesn't look like very many orders, but we're going to go ahead and add it up, tell you how many orders it is, and see what we earned for 2 days worth of sales in the summer on Poshmark. All right, I got everything added up. It comes to 9 separate orders for a total of $59. Not too shabby for 2 days, but like I said, in the summertime, sales slow down because people are just busier doing things outside. So don't be discouraged if your sales are low. Just keep up the good work. I also have not recently been putting any new items on my store just because of busyness in other areas. So I'm gonna start putting some new product out, which will make more viewers come to my store. So just be encouraged. You can still sell in the summertime, and if your sales are slowing down, don't worry about it. They'll start to pick up soon. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.